let's try to solve a Megaminx. I received this as a gift from Tita Beverly. It comes with a manual of how to solve a Megaminx, but I ignored it and did it my way. I just followed the same principle as the 3x3, and now Mom scrambled it, like she always does. And let's try to solve it. Let's begin. See, it's already scrambled. So let's begin. Like I've already said that. Okay, I'm having trouble with this sometimes. I tried teaching Mom how to solve a Rubik's Cube once, but I don't know how to teach yet. So it took me some time, and still Mom didn't understand. Okay. I'm always having trouble of looking for the middle parts. Oh, there it is. Okay, next one is the star, which you have to put the middle sides over here. Okay, did I move it? Okay, where's the other side now? Okay, right here, now insert. Oopsie. I'm trying not to move because if I do, I'll shake the camera. I think Mom's finding this boring. Okay, where is it? Oh, there it is. Just letting you know, it's me who's doing this. No one else. Okay, so where is it now? Where are you now? This side, I always find this part difficult. See.
solving Rubik's Cube, I think.
It's fun. Yeah, it's fun for me. Why is it not fun for you?
Not at all.
Mom says it's not fun for her. Maybe it's because it's hard for her. Hold on a minute.
It's taking forever.
I know. This is a problem when it comes to this. It takes forever. Okay.
Giving up yet?
No. I'm still gonna do it. Even though my hands are shaking right now.
Why is it shaking?
I don't know. Because if I move fast, I will move the camera. Okay, take it as fast as possible. Okay, so next one over here. This is actually one of the parts of solving a 3x3. Oh. Okay, so find another one. Oh.
I'm almost done. Just wait. Oops.
And then, last one. There. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye! So are you finished?